Y'all, this pantry is a mess. As you can see, everything is thrown in here crazily, and I do a lot of shopping from Costco, which gives me these big boxes, but I have a really small pantry, so I was going crazy tonight. It's probably like 7-8 o'clock at night, and I had it. So I decided I'm pulling stuff out, and I'm gonna use these organizational pieces that I threw in the pantry as well to get this a little bit more organized, to make finding things a lot easier. After I take everything out, I use these shelf liners, which are really good for these metal racks that I hate. It just kind of helps it give me a little bit more of a smooth surface, and I had my son cut them out so they weren't exactly perfect, but he did a good job, so I'm so proud of him. And I threw the baskets in and the Lazy Susans in that I picked up. The Lazy Susans are from HomeGoods, and the baskets, of course, are from Dollar Tree. And I'm just throwing the snacks in there and making sure that everything fits neatly, and then slowly start putting back in everything that belongs in there. And it gives me a good opportunity to not only organize it, but to declutter things that are no longer good.
Alright, so although it's not the prettiest, it's not Pinterest worthy, at least my goal for tonight was just to be able to see what I have in here, because I feel like when I first opened it up, I didn't know what was in there. And so this is what I'm left with, and I definitely do plan on getting like real good bins from the Container Store to like house more stuff in. And I bought another package of these OXO containers from Costco, but I think that this works for me for right now. I can see all of the school snacks right here. I know how many drinks we have left. I drink the LaCroix, my son drinks the Capri Suns. I put some in the refrigerator because he said he wanted them to be cold, and just kind of other stuff. Got some popcorn, a lifetime supply of PB2 chocolate. If you need some, let me know. And I can see what's in the containers. I definitely need to refill a lot of them. Tonight was just, I need my life to be a little bit better organized so that things are easily able to be grabbed in the morning. And then over here is all of the boxes from all of the stuff that is trash that is in the pantry. And then this is stuff that either needs to be thrown away, or like these two Holy Cheese bags have like this much in each bag, so I'm going to throw them both into a sandwich bag and give them to my son for a snack tomorrow. Other stuff, these are stale chips and old Pringles and syrup that's like one drop left in there. Oil, I don't use vegetable oil because it's not good for you. So I'm getting rid of that. And peanut butter from Sprouts that I just totally forgot about that expired. These, I don't like these. I don't like them at all. I don't think they're expired. No, not until October, but I don't like them. If anybody wants them, let me know. I'll send them to you. These I think are expired, but we do these a lot. And then my whey protein is all gone, but luckily I got most of it done. So that's what I have left. My kitchen, I need to wash those dishes and put those dishes away. And then this is other stuff. Well, that container was in the pantry. That was not. We just had some cereal. So, yeah, gotta clean up my mess, throw all the rest of this away, and throw that stuff in the recycle, and we're done.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below so we can chat, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thanks. Stay blessed.